Mark, open it there for me. Santa got me something this year. Wow.
See?
Oh yeah, okay.
It's for yoga?
Yoga, I guess, yeah. Ollie, don't get sick, please.
It's a yoga mat.
Look, Auntie Anne must have been writing to him. I don't do
Who's
yoga.
going to be doing yoga? Because it's definitely not going to be Mummy. I'll be doing more yoga than Mummy.
No, he won't. Dogs don't even like yoga. All they just do is sit around,
Yeah.
sit on the butt.
Patrick, you open it for Daddy.
Okay.
You're the chief present opener. That's your job.
Here's your card.
What's this say? Dear Patrick. Oh. Is it a hat?
T-shirt!
Stewie. Stewie. What does the t-shirt say? What does it say?
Here it goes, Stewie.
Well, it says something nice.
Oh, good again. These presents are
Patrick and Margaret. Okay. What is this thing?
Karina!
Oh, that's from Grandma. You have to leave that until you get to Grandma's. Grandma wants you to see you opening that.
I'm gonna put this in the car.
Okay.
Oh, wait. What is this?
Santa.
Oh, what?
Oh, Daddy, look. We got this. You can get this from Santa, you know? Oh, this is from Uncle Martin. Okay. We'll give it to you. We don't want operation. Let's see again.
No, I don't want operation. Karina also.
Alright, let's see what you got.
From Santa!
Okay, so this is from Santi, okay? Say, this is from Santi.
This is from Santa Claus.
So wonder you have the strength to open all the presents because you went to bed late. Is that soap for your butt?
What is it? What is that?
It's soap. It's for my bathtub.
Oh.
God. And he hurt my butt. Santa again?
Maybe you're getting too many presents.
Maybe this is for Daddy.
It's a skateboard.
What is it?
It says Karina.
Okay, so open it.
Let's see. What is
The
it?
skateboard.
No, I don't think it is.
Yes, it is. I told you. Told ya.
That's not a skateboard.
Yes, it is. Oh, man. I just...
A scooter. It's a kick scooter. You can go around Rockland Lake after Daddy. Yes, I'm not kidding you.
This is for next year, you know that?
Why is it for next year?
Because I'm not riding it until I'm 7.
Wow, a kick scooter. Wow, what a lucky girl.
That's a cool present.
I seen a girl in Rockland Lake on a kick scooter. She was going really fast.
Oh, Karina won't be going.
And there's another one from Santa.
Ollie.
Another one from Santa.
Why is this? After this! Good job, Santa Claus! Thank you!
I'll put it away.
My God, Santa! Ollie, did you hear anything, Ollie, last night? Did you? You were probably snoring.
This is from Santa Claus for you, Daddy!
Okay, cool. Open it for Daddy.
black is for you. And another one from Santa Claus for you, Daddy.
Alright, so let's see what it is.
I hope you get any presents.
Hopefully it's something nice.
Hopefully something I
Oh, wash stuff for Daddy. Oh.
Obviously, Santa Claus Daddy is got stinky bums.
Stinky butts.
And another one for Daddy.
Hey, this is for Mommy this time. Daddy can't be that stinky.
Not for Mom. The black is yours.
Oh, it's Nautica. Oh, more presents.
Perfect!
More perfume for
Perfume
that.
for Daddy.
Green from Santa Claus again.
I thought you were only getting like two presents from Santa. How come you got so many presents?
Oh, let's see who this big one is. Margaret, Margaret, ho, ho, ho.
Oh, let me see what I'm getting.
It's from Santa Claus. Oh, God, this is so heavy.
Oh,
What's that for Mommy? None of
Yeah.
yours?
Santa Claus.
more yoga stuff probably. Oh, perfume.
Oh,
Everybody got perfume.
thank you, Santy.
You got a makeup bag.
That's a makeup bag. Oh, wow.
Let's see.
Anything in there?
Oh, that's a nice makeup bag.
It has 300 zippers. Nope, nothing's in.
Oh.
Okay, keep going back to opening the presents.
Let's see. Does this have a tag? Of what? Oh, yes, it does.
What does it say? To Ollie from Santy?
No. You gave Mommy a
Oh, that's Daddy gave me a present.
Patrick. What is it going to say Patrick?
Surprise for me, honey. I didn't know that.
Oh,
And here's my other surprise here.
See?
who knows?
Patrick.
Oh, alright, so give that to Mommy.
I thought I did very good this year. Ollie's still looking for his
From
present.
Santa Claus. I got another coloring book. I know why he gave me another coloring book. Because my other one, I
Yeah.
glittered on it.
Oh,
So I think I know. I didn't know.
what?
I thought I was on the naughty list.
Yeah, I guess not.
You probably weren't just barely on the naughty list.
No, I wasn't. I already have headband. Mickey has.
See what's been silly. Like,
It's
getting
for
me a
Mac-
new one.
it's for Mickey one.
What Mickey one?
Mickey. See? Disney.
Oh, Disney one. Okay.
I like Santa Claus last one.
You do?
And another one.
Another one from Santy.
I think he didn't give me my iPod. My
Oh, you didn't
iPod.
get your
Oh
iPod?
man, okay.
That's stuff. You got a lot of presents in.
Yeah,
So,
no,
but it doesn't
I
matter.
don't
You
need
don't-
my iPod. I already have one.
You
Let
already
me
have
see what it is. Don't tell me he gave me a pair of shoes.
A pair of shoes.
Baby always needs shoes.
What is this?
What is that?
My eye! It's an iPad! Oh my god! Oh, please!
You don't like it?
Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
What is this? That's not an iPad.
It's like a big iPod! An iPod!
A big iPad, Daddy.
Oh my Christ!
My God.
There's way too many presents here for one person.
That's